Welcome back to part 2 of seeing how I built my shelving unit. Here I'm just nipping off of the nails that are poking through. They were a little longer than I expected when I put my pallet boards up on there. Then here I'm vacuuming out the shelves of all the sawdust so I can get ready to paint. Have you liked and subscribed yet? And here's the finished product before I paint. I had put the pallet boards on the side. Sorry, I didn't get a clip of doing that. Now, as much as I like the look of the pallet wood, I wanted the shelves to kind of match my furniture inside, and my couches are dark blue, so I went with midnight blue to make the shelves. Now this is mixed in with a primer, so I skipped that step and went straight to this. I really liked using this paint because it covers incredibly well, especially on the OSB, and I wasn't too worried about anybody looking at that, being the fact it's going to be facing my wall, but I figured I should just paint it so that way as it ages it has a little bit more protection and sealment. Now here I'm doing the inside. I used a roller and a little hand brush. Being squatted down that long was incredibly hard on my legs and back, but we got it done. Here I am, up higher, and also using the little hand brush to get into all the nooks and crannies. And hey, have you liked the video yet? And here comes my goats.
Can I help you? Excuse me? Nope. Look, unless you're here to pick up a paintbrush and help me, go eat grass.
My attempt to scare them failed.
No.
As
Susanna,
you can see.
Dorothy, go back to the field. Yeah! I'm with ya! Papaya! Woo! Yip yip! Yeah, that didn't work.
And here is the finished product. As you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, and 4 compartments to store things. I did a fairly larger compartment on the bottom because I really wanted to have a place to store my blankets. And I rather like how it turned out. It was it was big and heavy getting it into the house. In fact, my husband and I struggled quite a bit to get it into position. I wish I would have got a video for that. It was definitely very it was worth the laugh. So But thank you for following along and seeing how I built my shelving unit. It is in my house, it's being used, and it is full of stuff for sure. So don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me more for videos.